All right, so anyway, I bought this action camera. It's $39, and it's a 4K camera. You gotta peel all off these things when you first get it. And to get to the camera itself, you gotta open it up, pop it out. And you might need a tool like this, these Apple tools, because this thing's a little hard to get open. This pops open like this. And that, now you got a big hole there. And then you got to find this battery in the gear. It's got a little thing on the end of it. And if you look inside of there, you'll see the little teeth down in there. So you got to slide it in so that those teeth hit. Push that down like that. And then you're going to put this right back on there. The side with the little things goes towards the upper part of it. Push it down and it snaps. Whoops. That didn't work. Push it in there first, and then it snaps. Ah, there it pops in. That's it. Right, so now I've got the battery in it. Now the battery apparently is not charged. Let's see if it is. I clicked it, nothing happens. I clicked here, I clicked over here, nothing happens. So the way you charge the battery is right over here is a port for a USB. So I've got a USB here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug it in there. And now you'll notice that it's charging. So we're going to let that charge overnight, or however long it takes to charge. Here you can see, there I am. And so this camera I think was $39 or $34 on Amazon. And they work almost as good as the GoPros, which are 300 or 400 or 500 or whatever, depending on what model you get. So we're going to set that over there. All the stuff that comes with it, all these different connectors. Comes with an extra battery. It's got one of these wrist holders. And apparently you can do it by Bluetooth. You can turn it on and off, take a picture or take video with Bluetooth. You can see it's got one side, it's got the picture, and one's got video. And then you can wear that on your wrist and turn it on and off whenever you want. So we'll try that out and see how it works. Comes with a quick reference guide, which gives you all the information that you need to know on this thing. And over here you've got this we want to hear from you thing. So I said it comes with 2 of these batteries, so you can charge both of them and they last about an hour. All right, and so that's it. That is the 4K Ultra HD sports camera, and it's called the Dragon Touch. And this was the 2nd or 3rd pick on Amazon for the best one. So it shows you all the different information. It does come with, of course, one case, and it looks just like the GoPro case. It looks just like GoPro attachments, and it does work with the GoPro attachments, so that's a plus. All right, so we'll try it. I'm going to try this baby out and see how she works in the water. So it does come with an extra battery, and it's got a little thing here. And if you look here, you got a battery ports that you can put your batteries in, and you just put it into a USB right there. And they give you a little USB cable that you can hook into your computer or into, you know, one of those socket deals. And it comes with just a whole, all the stuff that the GoPro comes with, it comes with that. So that's kind of interesting. So this is some of the stuff it comes with: an extra door. It's got the you know, remote control thing, which we'll try that out, I guess. It comes with all these different little connector things that you can, you know, just like the GoPro. It's the exact same thing as the GoPro. It's the same kind of, these some of them work with the GoPro, some of them don't. It's pretty close. It's almost the exact same thing. And this is one of these things that you can hook it up without the case on it, if you want to get the sound. And then it's got one of these for your board. It's got you know, a couple of these little things you can hook to it so it doesn't fall off your whatever it is. Comes with a couple of straps. This is for the you know, your control. You put it on your wrist. And it's got a couple of these. This thing I never found any use for. It's got a couple of those, and some of these. I mean, basically every single one of these things comes with the same bunch of connectors. So over the years, I've gotten so many of these that I just throw these out. I don't even keep them because I've got like millions of them from buying them. Because I bought so many of them. I'll show you in a second. You're gonna be like, what? It's got a million of these things. Some of these bad boys. I think that the most you can put in these is about a 32 gig card. So you got to, and I would suggest getting the SanDisk ones. You know, they're pretty good. You can get them cheap now. I mean, you know, this flash drive is super cheap. It's getting cheaper every day. So, you know, I'd get a couple of these cards so that you have them, so you can put them in there. I'm going to keep this one over here. All of these sports cameras, every single one of them, because I bought about 5 or 6 of them, they may look different on front. So I'll give you a little idea here. They may look a little different on front. Like, look at this one. It's the exact same thing, but look on the side. Same, 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 and it's same in the back. So if you look at this one, it's the same thing. It's got a little bit different design on front, but really, basically, they're all exactly the same. So if you can get one of these for cheaper than the 34 bucks, sometimes they're like $29 on special deal on Amazon. But I think they're all made in the same exact, I mean, look at them. They're made in the same place. I mean, look, is there any difference there? No. This one I think I paid 24 bucks for when they have one of those special daily deals on Amazon. This one I paid 39 for. I've had about 10 of them. And when I lose them, I'm not that upset about it. When I lose a GoPro that I paid $400 for, I get really upset. So, and you know, when you're doing extreme sports, these things get the shizzle knocked out of them. So anyway, go cheap and you can go for more. Peace. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff that I'm doing with all kinds of cameras and videos and technology and how to put toilets, you name it, I do it. I don't know how to do it, I do it anyway. All right, bye.